Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to allocate landed costs to bills in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to accurately distribute additional expenses like shipping, customs, or freight charges across your purchased items, ensuring your inventory costs reflect the true value of your stock. First, open your browser and head over to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll need to enable the landed cost tracking feature before you can start using it. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu where all the configuration options live. From the module settings that appear, locate and select items under the general section. This is where you'll find the options related to how your inventory items are managed and tracked. Now scroll down through the item settings until you find the checkbox labeled Track Landed Costs. Go ahead and check this box to enable the feature, then click Save. This step is essential because it activates the landed cost functionality across your entire inventory system, allowing you to properly account for all additional expenses tied to your purchases. With the feature enabled, navigate to the Purchases module and select Bills from the menu. Here, click the plus button to create a new bill. You'll be presented with a form where you need to fill in some basic information. Choose your vendor from the vendor name dropdown, then enter the bill number, order number, bill date, due date, and payment terms. These details ensure your bill is properly documented and tracked. Next, add the purchased items to your bill by entering their quantities and rates. This forms the base cost of your purchase before any additional expenses are factored in. Now comes the important part. Click the plus button next to add landed cost. This is where you'll input those additional expenses that need to be distributed across your items, such as freight charges, customs fees, or shipping costs. Select the appropriate expense account for the landed cost you're adding and enter the amount. This ensures your accounting remains accurate and these costs are properly categorized. Once you've entered all your landed costs, click Save as Open and Apply Landed Costs. A dialog will appear asking you to choose how you want to allocate these costs. You can distribute them by quantity, by value, or manually. Select your preferred allocation method and choose whether to apply the costs to all items or just selected ones, then click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully allocated landed costs to your bill in Zoho Inventory, ensuring your inventory valuation accurately reflects all associated expenses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.